Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we're just gonna take my bike to service. As you can see right here, it says we have to get it to service. I think it's the I think it's the fourth service of the bike. I think this time we're gonna have some oil change around the bike. And the service center is somewhere in the city, so traffic is a headache. So what can I say? This is my daily bike actually. I take it to the gym, or somewhere if I have to go somewhere, just to meet someone, ride, chill. I take this bike. Even the ZX10R I chill a bit. I don't know if I can record the servicing process. I'll ask them if I can record and show you guys the fourth service of my bike. So let's see. Okay, so we're almost there. Yep, here it is, the Kawasaki Service Center. So I said this is the fourth service, so I'll have to see what they'll do with the bike.
Okay. Ano niya dalaw?
Guys, we're leaving now. The service is done. It costed about 6k this time, so that's fine, I guess. Oh wait, I forgot my fucking gloves. Okay, we're going back home now. It'll be a chill ride, I guess. Yeah, so the service, I've filmed everything as you guys saw in the video, and you know, they said that I'm actually not allowed to film all that there, but I did ask and then film. So yeah, that was the service of the Z650. It got oil changes and some cleaning near the chain and all that stuff, near the drive chain. I'll have to check to see if my ZX10R needs a service, but yeah, pretty sure it doesn't need any service for now. Traffic. Oh yeah, the bike feels pretty smooth. Everything is fully done. The clutch lever actually felt a bit squeaky, but we got it done, so it's all good. All cleaned, all scrubbed, all good. So everything is good. And now we're going back home. Hey. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and if you did enjoy, please drop a like, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.